In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to look expensive on a budget using pieces from affordable stores like Shein, Fashion Nova, Zara, and more. Looking chic and elegant doesn't have to break the bank, and I'm here to show you how with some savvy styling tips. Let's dive in and explore how you can elevate your wardrobe without overspending. First, let's talk about the power of wearing neutrals. When in doubt, sticking to colors like black, white, beige, or gray can instantly refine your look. These classic shades never go out of style, and they exude a sophisticated aura. You can easily mix and match these hues to create multiple outfits that look both modern and timeless. Next, choose structured clothing items to add a touch of polish to your ensemble. Pieces like blazers, trousers, and button-up shirts are your best friends. They offer a more tailored appearance that can make your entire outfit seem more expensive, regardless of where you purchased them. These staples lend a crisp, defined silhouette, which naturally enhances your overall aesthetic. Fit is key, so it's important to focus on finding clothes that complement your body shape. Well-fitted garments can make a dramatic difference, so check sizing charts and read reviews before making a purchase. A perfect fit can elevate the simplest outfit to a designer quality look, and it costs nothing extra to choose your size wisely. Adding in simple accessories can refine your look further. Opt for gold jewelry, clean and chic bags, and neutral shoes. The trick is to keep it minimalistic, as understated elegance often reads as more sophisticated. Less is more. Choosing a few quality accessories can prevent your outfits from looking cluttered. Invest in basic wardrobe essentials, a wardrobe that includes plain tops, a reliable pair of jeans, and a versatile black dress offers a solid foundation for countless stylish combinations. You can pair these basics with trendier pieces from places like Shein, Fashion Nova, or Zara without compromising on elegance. Finally, appearance is not just about clothes. Looking polished is crucial. Make sure your outfits are well ironed, your hair is styled to complement your look, and consider adding a touch of light makeup. And here's a secret: confidence is the best accessory you can have. Wearing it proudly will make any ensemble shine. These are a few tips to help you achieve an expensive look on a budget. With a keen eye for quality within budget-friendly options and a bit of thoughtful styling, you'll master the art of looking effortlessly chic. Remember, it's all about making strategic choices that highlight your personal style. Thanks for tuning in, and I can't wait to see how you incorporate these tips into your fashion journey.